What's up, everybody? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage and welcome to the series, Is It Worth It? Now, I haven't done none of these videos in a while, and I know a lot of people have been asking about it, so I'm coming back with them, and I'm going to try to be consistent as possible. And, hey, we are on this 01 GMC Yukon Denali. Yes, this is the top of the trim that you can get. Very luxurious, comfortable. If y'all don't know, this is the second gen, from 2001, 2006. You got your Tahoes, Escalades, Suburbans, and all that. They all have like the same particular body style, but they got a different, unique finish and styling. Rather with fender flares, interior wise, and all that. Grills. I like the GMC grills and all that. I like the little bubble lights, but I would prefer like the Tahoe styling compared to the styling, but it's still clean. These leather seats inside is nice, look plushes, very comfortable. With these Yukon GMCs, man, them seats are comfortable. So we got nice door panels. We got the Boss system. Man, you can fit 8 people comfortably in here. You can tow a boat. Towing capacity is crazy. And yeah. Anyway, guys, this is the ultimate sleeper right here. This is 2001 GM. It does have 100,008 miles on there, 6.0 all-wheel drive, and then we got all the goodies. I decided to go on the Kelly book and look at the price point. If this thing was all stock, because usually it goes from $3,000 to $6,000. They would range in there, maybe a little more depending on the mileage. But if it was clapped out, it would be like 2,500 and under. But this thing is in excellent condition, and we got some bad boy goodies on this thing. So I feel like it should be worth more, especially if it had been taken care of and the less mileage. Usually these GMCs, man, the mileages be about 300,000 miles. My Tahoe is about 285, 295. It's finna make the 300,000 mark. If not, it already did. So for at 108,000 miles, that's not bad. Horsepower on these things, about 320. Fuel economy is all right. You got plenty of cargo space. If you want to make, I know you can fold down the seat, so you can take the back seats out. So it's a lot. I want to compare this thing to a 2010 Ford Raptor. I heard that it was quicker, and then I heard it had more towing capacity, even though the Raptor wasn't built for that. It was built for sand dunes. And I also want to compare it to a 2010 Durango RT, which I am kind of more impressed. Less curb weight. And also I decided to compare it to the 2021 RST, which you get the bang for your buck for this Yukon here. And I would say this Yukon is basically a poor man track hawk that's under 10 grand. I mean, you got all-wheel drive, you got a 6.0, and you got a big boy V8. Now, these are the goodies that they have on this truck. They got the supercharger kit for the 5.3 or the 6.0. I probably could just add this on my Tahoe if I want to. I always wanted to do a supercharger kit, and I'm planning on doing it. But this is what the guy have on the truck, which is gnarly. 70 about it would probably be about 7,500, tax and all that. We got some long tube headers on here. The rest of the weight is stock, and all these parts, I add up the price, and y'all need to guess what's the price. I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute. We do have a K&N air filter. It's so crazy how these are so expensive because it's just a regular filter. And then we got the electric fans. I put that about like $200, even though you can get it way cheaper at a junkyard or somewhere else. Also got the price of these 411 gears, rather for the front and the rear. So I based it off about like $550. I added up to there, which is pretty gnarly. So Summit Racing probably could find them cheaper somewhere else too. Also got the brakes. I put them about like $230, $200, depending. You get a good set of brakes for about $200 some dollars, depending, maybe more. And then we got this sway bar kit, which help with body roll, stiffen up the chassis and all that little good stuff. And it's $558, which is crazy just for this piece of bar right here. This piece of bar is $558. But okay. Anyway, I added up the price. We got $9,500. That's the rough estimate. And then when I added that price of the parts and the Kelly book price was about like what, $6,000. I added those two. I got about like $15,000 that this truck should sell for. But like I said, this guy want $19,500 for it. So y'all let me know, is that a fair price, or should it be like around like $15,000, or should it be lower? Y'all let me know. I think he at the right price. I mean, it's an excellent condition inside and out. I'm pretty sure the motor and all that been well taken care of. So I mean, I feel like it's a fair price. It's a sleeper. It's a grocery go-getter. It's a soccer mom car. It's a grandpa car. Leased on the outside, but it's a monster inside. And especially with all-wheel drive and then the towing capacity, you can carry a boat, go on long road trips. Man, this is a bang for a buck. But anyway, y'all let me know down below what y'all think. And yeah, I'm glad to get back at these. And yeah, see y'all. Subscribe if y'all made it this far. Like the video, share with your friends, family, whoever.